Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to increase download speed on TeraBox. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over right here and then make sure to use high-speed internet connection. Ensure that you're connected to a reliable high-speed internet, and you can also download during off-peak hours, sometimes late nights or early mornings when internet traffic is lower. You can also clear your app cache on TeraBox in order to improve performance. You can also update TeraBox application in order to use the latest version, as updates often include performance improvements. You can also use the download speed boost option, and this is actually temporary speed boost option for 30 seconds. While this feature is limited, you can utilize it for faster downloads. You can also consider upgrading to premium, because if you frequently download large files, you can upgrade to premium in order to actually maximize its potential. So that's how you increase download speed on TeraBox. Hope you help.